Hello everyone, my name is Nikki Sharma and I'm presenting to you Forge for this Head Hackathon. The question I have is simple. What if corruption in government spending didn't have to exist? Welcome to Forge, the financial oversight and resource governance engine. I'm going to show how we are using blockchain AI and autonomous system to create unbreakable transparency. The problem is every year billion in development funds vanish into those project and sell complete companies. Let's see how Forge prevent this. Now, this the underworld is the GitHub clone and live dashboard is a way of representing that how it works. So if we go to the login system, so it is a RBAC system. That's how it's going to work. Everyone have their own, UIs computer there. When we deploy that, so from the admin from our side is going to provide the DIDs to them. So government have this is not the fully you know uh, that fully real flow, but we have an idea of the flow how it going to work. So we have a central government, the state government, and the deputy government. So every government go with the flow. Then first of all, state government. The central government has provide the budget. For example, I'm providing this budget for the school 2025, and I'm locking the budget. So the budget is locked. So it's the budget is locked. There's you can see the vendor registry. Main government have the right to pay the vendor also. The thing is, I'm transferring the 10,000 to the state, and it transferred to 10,000 to state. I have put the budget, and I'm transferring this particular to the to the state. So money is sent to the state for the school. So state government have the ability. Let me show you. Okay, again log in and. The state government. So main government have the ability to send to money, and main government is mostly have a lot of rights. So state government have got the budget they get, that available budget they have this. So they can touch the money. This is the escrow payment system. So main government can pay the vendor, and also deputy can pay the vendor, but they pay in the escrow payment system. They can't touch with the money. So for the one particular reason, school and go further. So I'm choosing the particular deputy. For example, I'm choosing the against from Mumbai Central. So I'm allocating the budget to them. So the budget is allocated. I can propose the deputy with the principal ID of that, and I can remove the deputy also. This is the part if you want to use ICP, but there we are not using for now. So there you can view the details of yeah, the deputy, and this is the pending budget allocation which we have approved at. This is the current flow. That's how we are going to do that, and everything will go live on the header. Um, so this is the DIPT UI. So DIPT UI got the money, and the district budget is 50,000 and active project is going to that. So you can choose the allocation like this kind of money will be used in the highway expansion, and you are choosing the vendor. So you are assigning the vendor to the work, and okay. If vendor have did something wrong, then it goes through. So state government and state government and district government didn't have ability to touch with the money, and there's a cool thing. So you can claim for the review if you get something, and this is the district project management, everything. So you can submit the challenge to the SCH if you want to, um, and for this you have to give the private key and then have account ID. So I upload the ENV file, so it is not going to work. So you can transfer the money back, which will like you have money and that you want to transfer back to state. Like there's a 5 crores and the 10,000 saved from there you can send back, and then you fund again for the that. So the dipty and this all UI. So now we see that how the vendor UI works. So vendor, what he have to do that you are you're choosing the file and it goes to the IPFS. So there's a bigger file, then it goes to IPFS, and a small file that it works on the HFS also. So I have some there. Let me show you. Yep, I have some test in there. The photo. I'm sorry for that. Taking so time. For example, I'm sending this, and you are claiming that you have done 5,000 work, and description you can pay that I have done work. Uh, so this you submit to the blockchain, and it auto upload by the AI. So AI is using there to approving the things, and these are the claim already claimed, and you can come to the HCSS as, and this is the seven flow. It is for judges to get to know. Now you can choose the sub supplier from there, and who at the end pay the money in the USDC and or Forgecoin, which we are going to release after that. So it is for the vendor, and it same goes with the. I'm sorry, I have on the GitHub. Uh, it it same goes with the with the sub. Another citizen part is a little bit more good to see that citizen what can do that in the particular region where the thing school is built, for example. So they get that notification, they can check there by going there, and if you found something suspicious you can just simply go for the claim, and if it is found to be true that you will get prize from the judge, from the main government. If it didn't, then you have to stake some money like $1. If it is right, you will get $50, $100. It depends on the project, and how big thing you have figured out, and that is how it's going to work. So yep, you can choose the evidence, you can upload the photos, and you will get the money. So yeah, this is the total flow. It's how it's going to work. Auditor as something watchdogs. You can say a watchdog organization, and we also contact with the NGOs for that. So for the UI for the NGOs is also ready. So that's how Forge is going to work. Thank you for your time to listening this. In the second video, I'm going to present that why we need it in the page. So thank you.